Suporta sa rally ni Duterte maski nagkiang-kiang ko lakaw. I really support Tatay Digong, mabuhay! Bring him home! Tatay Digong! Tatay Digong, bring him home!
Ikaw ang Pangulo para sa pagbabago.
Maraming salamat po from the bottom of my heart. Ang dami pong nagsusuporta sa Peace Prayer Rally for former President Rodrigo Duterte. Marami pong nag-attend from Penticton, Vernon, Kamloops, Oliver, Salmon Arm, na nagtitipon-tipon po kami ngayon. Kahit po umuulan, andito po sila at nagsusuporta po sa amin. Get together para po ipagdasal namin. Please bring former President Rodrigo Duterte back home in the Philippines. Kailangan po namin siya for peace and order in our country. Maraming salamat po.
Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat ay Rodrigo.
Former President Duterte, I gave you my support 2016. I worked, I did extra cleaning just to give my financial support for your campaign 9 years ago, and I'm giving the same support at this time. My message to you is that you're not alone. Most of the Filipinos are giving their support to you. We have this rally even here in Kelowna. Keep the faith, and you know that you're not alone. We are here for you. This is not just about Duterte, this is about the Filipinos. And if the Marcos government can do this to President Duterte to be kidnapped, what would prevent the Marcos government to do the same thing to an ordinary citizen? So again, Filipinos, be vigilant, be aware, and be steadfast. Mabuhay ang Pilipino.